Okay. Good afternoon, class. Later 4 p.m. we will be having an earthquake drill. So after classes, please stay here in the classroom, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
At 3 p.m. we're gonna leave the school.
Okay, that's a good idea, man.
Yes. Hey! Oh, wanna go with us?
Where?
Leave the school at 3 p.m.
No, why?
What the fuck? It's that's nonsense, man.
I'm not interested.
Okay, we're gonna leave.
I'm not interested. I want to know some information.
Okay, class. So open your books on page 140 and... Okay, class. So to start our class for today, open your books to page 173.
Stop shaking the table.
No, it wasn't us.
Wait, I think it's an earthquake.
Guys, let's go over. Let's go over. Guys, Hey,
Yes,
class, I think they're mixed up.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, let's go. Get something in top of your head. Okay. Slowly. Okay, let's go. Hey, you okay? Guys, bring it. Let's try it. Okay. Bring it. Let's go. Go.
Now I do hope that you learned a thing or two about this video. But now let's have a more intricate look of what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Before an earthquake strikes, you must prepare some food and water, have a first aid kit, plan out and where you're going to go, and do not skip out an earthquake drill if you are given an opportunity. During an earthquake, you must perform the drop, cover, and hold position and hide under a solid table, and stay away from fragile materials such as glass. And don't go near power lines or post lights, and most importantly, do not panic. Now, after an earthquake, you must watch out for any hazards in the area. Use a book or any object to cover your head. Stay calm and be alert. Don't be in such a rush and do not neglect any injuries if you have sustained one. Now I hope that you learned something here today so you won't end up like this guy. So much pain and agony. Yeah, can someone help him please? Thank you so much for watching and until next time, bye bye.